The ideal weight for my cat. Our hearts belong to cats because they are such good friends and are naturally curious and independent. As responsible pet parents, you need to make sure your pets stay at a healthy weight for their whole lives. How do you know what weight is best for your pet friend, though? How to figure out a cat's weight. Cats are different sizes and forms, just like people, and there isn't a single way to figure out what weight is best for them. There are, however, some general rules that can help you figure out if your cat is a good weight. 1. Breed and body type. The perfect weight and body shape for each cat breed are different. One example is that a Siamese cat is likely to be thinner than a Maine Coon, which is likely to be bigger and stronger. Knowing the traits of your cat's breed can help you figure out what weight range is best for it. 2. Body Condition Score, BCS. A body condition scoring method is often used by vets to check the weight and health of a cat. This method usually goes from 1 to 9, with 1 meaning emaciated, and 9 meaning obese. A number of 5 means that the ribs can be felt but not seen, and when looked at from above, there is a small waist behind the ribs. 3. Age and exercise level. A cat's age and level of exercise also affect its ideal weight. It is normal for kittens to weigh more than grown cats because they are still growing. Similarly, cats that live inside may have different weight needs than cats that live outside because they are active in different ways. Signs that your cat is too thin. Ribs, spine, and hip bones that can be seen. Not enough muscle mass. A dull, dry coat. Tiredness and weakness. How to tell if your cat is too fat. Trouble feeling your hips because of a thick layer of fat, loss of a clear waistline. Difficulty grooming, which can cause fur to mat or look messy. Less movement. Keeping your weight in a healthy range. Once you know what weight is best for your cat, you need to take action to keep it that way. 1. Balanced food. Giving your cat a good, balanced food is very important for keeping its weight in check and its health in general. Pick cat food that is right for its age, size, and amount of activity. And watch out for portion sizes to keep it from eating too much. 2. Regular exercise. Get your cat moving by playing with it and giving it toys that make it want to hunt. Getting a cat tree or giving them access to vertical areas can also help them get exercise and keep their minds sharp. 3. Regular visits to the vet. Make an appointment with your vet to check on your cat's health and weight on a regular basis. Your vet can give you personalized advice based on your cat's unique needs, and make any necessary changes to their food or exercise routine. In conclusion, keeping your cat at a good weight is important for its health and longevity. You can make sure your cat lives a happy, healthy life by knowing its specific needs, keeping an eye on its weight and body condition, and making sure it gets enough food and exercise. Which cat breed gets the most fat? There are breeds of cats that are naturally bigger and stronger than others. But picking the fattest breed can be subjective and rely on things like genetics, diet, and way of life. One thing that is known about some breeds is that they tend to gain weight more quickly or are bigger than others. The British Shorthair is a breed that is often thought of as being bigger and more likely to gain weight. These cats are strong and solid, and they can become overweight if they don't get enough food and exercise. They look bigger than other breeds because of their round faces and soft coats. Another breed of cat that might be a bit on the heavy side is the Persian. Persians are stocky and have thick coats, so it can be hard to tell when they're gaining weight until it gets too big. Their easygoing personality may also make them less busy if they aren't pushed to do so. It is important to remember, though, that obesity in cats is not limited to certain breeds. It can happen to any type or mix of breeds. All cats, no matter what breed, need to eat right and exercise regularly to stay at a healthy weight, and avoid the health problems that come with being overweight. You should always talk to your vet about your cat's weight if you're worried about it. They can give you personalized advice and suggestions. What kind of cat is the smallest and lightest that people know of? It is often the Singapura that gets the most attention when it comes to the smallest and lightest cat types. People love Singapura cats because they are small and delicate. When fully grown, they weigh about 4 to 8 pounds, 1.8 to 3.6 kilograms, which makes them one of the smallest house cat breeds in the world. These cats are from Singapore. They have short, fine fur with a ticked tabby pattern, big ears for their size, and eyes that look like they are smiling. Aside from being small, Singapura cats are known for being active and playful. They often win their owners over with their friendly attitude. The Singapura is known for being small, but it's important to remember that cats of any breed can be different sizes. Genetics, diet, and surroundings are just some of the things that can affect a cat's weight and size. However, if you want a small cat friend, the Singapura is definitely one to think about because it has a big personality for its size. Why do we like cats that are fat and fluffy? There are many psychological and biological reasons why we like fat and fluffy cats. These reasons appeal to our feelings and emotions. 1. The cuteness factor. We naturally find fat, fluffy cats cute. Their round faces, big cheeks, and fluffy bodies make us feel warm, safe, and like we should take care of them. A lot of people find this cuteness factor very attractive and endearing. 2. Softness and comfort. Fluffy cats have soft fur that feels great to touch and hug. Some people find it relaxing and comforting to pet a fluffy cat, which can help them rest and feel less stressed. The fact that their fur is soft makes them even more desirable as pets. 3. Perceived health and happiness. Some people may think that the size and fluffiness of a cat are signs of good health and happiness. People may think that a fat cat is well-fed and happy, which makes them think that the cat is cared for and happy. This way of thinking can help the pet and owner bond more. 4. Aesthetic appeal. Fat and fluffy cats can look nice. Their fluffy coats give them shape and bulk, which makes them look nice and make good subjects for pictures. A lot of people like to post pictures of their fluffy cats on social media sites, which makes fat and fluffy cats even more popular. 5. It keeps you warm and cozy. Fluffy cats add an extra layer of warmth, which can be especially comfortable in the winter. When you curl up with a fat, fluffy cat, you can form a warm and close connection that makes you feel close to them. In general, people like fat and fluffy cats for a variety of reasons, including sensory pleasure, mental connection, and cultural influences. As pets, fat and fluffy cats are very special to many people. It could be because they are so cute, their fur is so soft, or they keep people warm. What kinds of food will help my cat gain weight the most quickly? Even though it's best to keep your cat at a healthy weight, there are times when your vet may suggest that you help your cat gain weight for health reasons or other reasons. It's important to pick healthy, nutrient-dense foods that help you gain weight in this situation. These foods will help your cat put on weight. 1. High-calorie cat food. Look for cat foods that are made to help cats gain weight or that are labeled high-calorie or calorie-dense. In order to help you gain weight, these foods usually have more fat than other meals. 2. Wet cat food. Wet cat food has more calories than dry kibble and may be easier for cats to eat, especially if they have teeth problems or are picky eaters. To help your cat gain weight, choose canned foods that are higher in fat and protein. 3. Kitten food. Kitten food is made to give cats the extra calories, protein, and nutrients they need as they grow. Giving your adult cat baby food for a short time can help it gain weight. But it's very important to talk to your vet before making any changes to your pet's food. 4. Supplementary treats. You can help your cat gain weight by giving it treats that are made to help it gain weight or that are high in fat and protein. Try to find treats that are mostly made with real meat or fish. 5. Fortified cat foods. Some cat foods are made with extra nutrients, like vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids, that can help the cat stay healthy and gain weight. For an extra boost, choose cat foods that have extra nutrients added to them. 6. Adding high-calorie ingredients. You can make your cat's regular food taste better by adding high-calorie ingredients, like cooked eggs, plain yogurt, canned tuna, in water, or a little olive oil. But it's important to slowly give new foods to your cat and watch how it reacts. 7. Frequent feedings. Giving your cat smaller meals more often throughout the day can help them eat more and gain weight. Make sure your cat gets enough calories by giving them their daily food amount in several meals. If you are worried about your cat gaining weight, you should talk to your vet before making any big changes to its food or feeding schedule. These professionals can give you personalized advice based on your cat's specific wants and health. Also, Remember that gaining weight slowly is better for your cat's health than gaining weight quickly. Keep a close eye on their growth and change their diet as needed. How should I feed my cat that it's too fat? To help an overweight cat reach and stay at a healthy weight, you need to be careful about what you feed them and how you live your life. Here's how to feed a cat that is too fat. Talk to a veterinarian. You should talk to a vet before making any changes to your cat's food or eating schedule. They can look at your cat's present weight, health, and any underlying conditions that might be making it fat. You can also get personalized advice from your vet on how to help your cat lose weight based on its unique needs. Measure portions. Don't let your overweight cat eat whatever it wants. This can make it eat too much. Instead, follow your veterinarian's advice and measure out exact amounts of food. Use a measure cup to make sure that the serving sizes are always correct. Switch to a weight management food. Get your cat on a high-quality weight management or prescription food that was made to help them lose weight. This should be suggested by a vet. These diets have fewer calories and fat, but they still give you the nutrients you need. Do not put your cat on crash diets or very low-calorie meals. These can be bad for their health. Feed several small meals. Give your cat a daily amount of food, but spread it out over several smaller meals. Giving your cat smaller meals more often can help keep it from eating too much and keep it happy. Do not leave food out all day, as this can make you gain weight. Use puzzle feeders. Use puzzle feeders or things that give out food to make your cat work for their food. While slowing down their eating, these interactive feeding devices satisfy your cat's natural desire to hunt and keep their mind busy. Limit treats. Cut back on or get rid of high-calorie treats for your cat because they can make them gain weight. Instead, give small amounts of healthy or low-calorie treats as prizes every once in a while for good behavior. Keep an eye on weight and progress. To see how your cat is doing, check their weight and body state often. You can weigh your cat at home every so often or make an appointment with your vet to do it regularly. Change their meal plan as needed based on their health and weight loss goals. Encourage exercise. You can get your cat to be more active by playing with it, giving it toys that make it move, and making sure it has a fun place to jump and explore. To burn energy and lose weight, you need to do a lot of exercise every day. Be patient and persistent. It takes time for cats to lose weight, so be patient and keep at it. Keep working hard for your cat's long-term health and well-being and celebrate the little wins along the way. These tips and close communication with your vet will help you get your overweight cat to a healthier weight and make their life better in general. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay with cats. See you again.